I am making some Valentine brownies. So I got this brownie mix for 40 cents after Christmas. And it's got all this icing and everything, but I'm doing it for Valentine's Day, so I don't need all that stuff. So I guess save it for St. Patrick's Day maybe. And then I can save the sprinkles for Christmas. Okay, now, this cake mix is expired. And just to make sure that my baking powder in the cake mix isn't expired too, so it's not. Everything in here is fine. It's just the baking powder might not work because baking powder is the only thing that would actually be expired in here. So I'm gonna just add a teaspoon of baking powder just to see if it will, or just to make sure that it's not expired. Okay, so I got that. And then I got my oil. And then my eggs. And then my water. Okay. So I'm gonna mix this all together. Okay. Now, I've already greased, but this is my refillable oil. In my pan, and I'm going to put this in the oven and bake it, and then I'll show you how I'm going to make this Valentine. Throw this in the oven. Okay. Now, if you want my original fudge recipe from scratch, you can get it in my Dining on a Dime cookbook, volume 1. On page 361 is my fudge brownies. You can take a picture right here. Or on page 362 is my regular brownies. These are more cake-like. You can take a picture here or take a picture of the QR code and go to my website, livingonadime.com. The link is also in the description below. Okay, so now these are really hot. I have 9 hearts. So these are just white chocolate Valentine hearts. So for those of you who don't know, a plastic knife works really good for cutting brownies. It doesn't make them all smushed. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut these. I'm not gonna take them out of the pan yet. Oops, I lied. That one's smushed. Okay, so then I'm gonna take, and I don't know if this is gonna work. Is this gonna work? This isn't gonna work. I'm gonna smush the chocolate in to each brownie. Well, I don't think this is working. Oops, there's a little piece of packaging. Oh, I must have had 10 of these. So I give one to Mike, to say I love you. Do you want a piece of white chocolate to say I love you, dear?
Sure.
Okay. I don't know if this is gonna work. We'll see. Okay, so I'm gonna let these cool, and then we're gonna come back and see if they will come out of the pan and if they'll be cute or not. All right, I put my finger in this one to see if it had set up, and it hadn't. So it smushed it. But let me see if this worked. Okay, well, we'll start with this one since it got messed up. Okay, gotta admit, that's pretty darn toot and cute, even if I do say so myself.